Here we have King, who's a big mush. He's an 8th month old puppy. I don't think he's been safered yet. As you can see, he's a total bundle of love. He's a silly boy. Oh, look at that little bum bum. The happy boy. He's so friggin' cute. He's a long-legged little monkey. Oh, he should be snapped up in a heartbeat. He's such a sweet boy. Oh, he's silly Millie. He's silly Billy. He's a big goofball, isn't he? You gonna lick her to death, are you? Oh, who's gonna snap this little boy up? King in the Manhattan ACC. Big old goofball. Oh my god, he's adorable.